Hi Lods, magandang hapon. Merienda po tayo. Merienda po tayo ng McDonald's. Hi Lods. Ang blessing ni boss. Pinamerienda tayo ng McDonald's. Chicken kwan, may kasamang chicken kwan siya. Yung chicken na may sarsa siya eh. Napakasarap. Alaking. Have a blessed day. Magandang buhay. Napakasarap Lods. Yung kwan, potato. Yummy. McDonald's yan Lods ha. Napakasarap. Kain po tayo. Ganyan talaga pag blessing doon. Pamerienda ni boss to. Have a blessed day. Thank you, McDonald's.